And this could be the fastest Iwa Ji, the breaking of the new yam, the festival that launches the harvest season in Igboland.
So today, in front of all the chiefs, with respect from all the chiefs we have here today, and those that couldn't make it here today, we are recognizing the Yam Festival, which begins also this very day. So I'm saying thank you to all the chiefs here. And I'm saying to all the chiefs, because of your blessings, we, the children, we, the families, we, the Igbos, are here today. So, that's easy that I will pray, and then I will also ask the chiefs to touch this yam, bless it, and everybody here that is here will have a bite of this yam. So ladies and gentlemen, please stand up. Stand up. Stand up now. Please, everybody, stand up and please be quiet. Watch this event. This is what will bring us back next year. I will see Honorable Mark Yadelegi Mao is I will see Honorable Yasuo Officer Koye is Mure Kebo is I will let you make a man be named Igwe. Not because you are Jinka. Kayenya. Oda Imanaro. Jesus Christ. Thank you. Thank you, Chief. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.